Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. iPad mini 6 release date and price. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. Please help me by purchase any one of the products using link below. Thanks for your support. Apple is working on a new 6th generation iPad mini. With a release reportedly in the works, we want to take you through the best reasons to wait for the iPad mini 6 and the best reasons to skip it and go with something else. Earlier this year Apple released new iPad Pro models and they come with an assortment of enticing upgrades. The company's 2018 iPad Pro models are also excellent and they're also much cheaper than they once were. You should also check out the new iPad Air 4, new 8th generation iPad, 10.2-inch iPad, 2019 iPad Air, and the iPad mini 5. We've seen some significant price cuts on the latter three and they're worth a look if you're interested in buying a new tablet. You might have heard that Apple might be cooking up additional iPads. The list reportedly includes a high-end iPad Pro and a new iPad mini 6. Respected analyst Ming-Chi Kuo believes Apple is planning to launch a brand new iPad mini. He initially thought the device would arrive before the end of the year, but that's changed. Kuo's backtracked a bit and now says that Apple hardware with mini LED technology, the same tech that's supposedly on board the iPad mini 6, will arrive in 2021. A newer research note from Kuo backs this up. The analyst claims a new version of the iPad mini should launch sometime in the first half of 2021. Korean outlet ETNews reports that LG is set to supply Apple with the mini LED displays for new iPads. It claims the new iPads will launch in Q1 2021. One leaker believes that Apple won't launch a new iPad mini in 2021. Well, possible, it goes against just about everything we've heard thus far. Other than the potential launch date and a few other details, we don't know a whole lot about the iPad mini 5 successor. It's unclear if it will be another modest upgrade or if Apple will make significant changes to the budget iPad line. With new iPads on the way, that puts those of you in the market for one in a tough position. Should you buy a new iPad now or wait and see what Apple's got up its sleeve? We'll take you through the best reasons to think about waiting for the rumored iPad mini 6 and the best reasons to go with another model. If Apple is developing a new version of the iPad mini, you can expect it to come with numerous performance improvements. In fact, we've already heard about a few of them. According to Kuo, the iPad mini 6 will come with mini LED backlighting. The company is reportedly bringing the technology to the iPad Pro line, a new 10.2-inch iPad, the MacBook Pro line, and the Mac Pro. Apple is planning to use super thin rigid PCB boards from manufacturer Tripod technology. Volume production will reportedly start in early 2021. In a more recent note, Kuo says Apple will accelerate its adoption of mini LED displays in its iPad and Mac lineups. The analyst believes mini LED technology will be used on board 30-40% of iPad shipments and 20-30% of the company's MacBook shipments next year. So what does this all mean for you? Well, mini LED has some advantages over the LCD and OLED displays you find on most devices. They're also less prone to some of the burn-in issues that often plague OLED displays. They also provide deeper blacks, higher brightness, and they're also more power efficient, which could help with battery life. In addition to this, you can expect the iPad mini 6 to include a new processor which could also help with battery life, overall speed multitasking, and experiences like gaming. Again, Kuo claims the next-gen iPad mini will follow the iPhone SE2's product strategy, which would call for an up-to-date processor. The budget iPhone SE2 utilizes the same chip inside the company's flagship iPhone 11. Kuo also believes the iPad mini 6 will come with a 20W fast charging power adapter. We hope that the iPad mini 6 will be a good upgrade from Apple's side. That is, guys. Please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.